How to fix storage problem on any Android phone. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple, so please keep watching until the end. First step you have to do is go to the settings on your phone, and then all what you have to do is simple. Just go to the storage right here and click on cleanup, and then go to this option right here, click on cleanup, and then wait a few seconds. It will take you here. Right here on this page you will find the apps that you have deleted but their files still here. For example, I'm gonna choose this one, choose all, and click on delete, and it's deleted. And you can do the same thing with all the files, and then go back and go to apps manager on your phone, go to apps until it take you to this page right here. On this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Choose for example Google Drive, go to storage, click on clear data and clear cache, and then all what you have to do now is the problem is gonna be fixed. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.